What's up guys, welcome back to our channel, welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but we're back again, and today we are here at Phoenix Park Village 2. As you can see, we have made it to the front entrance and the sign is up, the gate is up, security post is already in place. So guys, we're going to give you guys another drone shot of this development. They have been going on pretty well. A matter of fact, the units should be handing over in very short order for those who have gotten into the first batch. Those batches should be ready very soon. All right, and the landscaping is coming on pretty well. The front is going to be lovely as usual. But guys, I'm going to go into the drone shot right now to show you guys what's happening on the property itself, so you can see the improvements from the last video. And just in case you don't know what the improvements are, that would simply mean you never watched the last video. So go ahead, watch our last Phoenix Park video update, and then you guys can appreciate what this is that you will see in this video today. So there is another section that they have started. I've shown that in the previous video as well. I'm going to go into that as well today, so you guys can definitely see that the work is going on this side of the world. So guys, I'm going to go into the shot right now. Remember what you need to do. Remember to like this video, remember to share, remember leave your comments down below, and remember guys, we need your support. Share this video as much as you can. Don't just watch the video, hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, and if you're not so new but you have not yet done so, remember to subscribe so that we can grow together. All right, so the journey will continue in the skies over Phoenix Park Village 2. So let's get right into it guys.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind. So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Flying, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Alright guys, so that's enough flying for one day. I hope we have sufficient footage for you guys. There are a lot of birds around today, and it's a thing with birds and drone. They think we are the same, but we are not. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Hope you find this update to be very useful, and you know, as soon as we can get on the inside, we'll be going on the inside. I'll try to provide an update for you guys on Portridge Estate. Currently we're unable to get into the model unit, but as soon as we can, we definitely will. So stay tuned to the channel guys. Thanks so much for your support. Thanks for your love as always. And remember guys, to do the right thing. Remember to watch a few of the ads as well. Remember to subscribe. Remember to share. Remember to like so that this video can reach far and wide. And we'll definitely catch you guys on the other side in another video at the next time. So it's peace out from Chris Hams. Bless up guys.